Alright, welcome to MajestiQ Studio. Today we are going to be looking at the anatomy of Pixellab. In other words, the features that are found in the Pixellab app. The app is actually used for graphics designing, and used for YouTube thumbnails, invitation cards, construction of logos, and etc. Alright, without wasting most of our time, we're going to start right now. But before we start, I would like to let us know that my own version of the Pixellab is actually a modified version, but modified by the owner of the name that you are seeing on the screen right now. Okay, and the only difference between this and the conventional blue themed Pixellab is that this is a black themed Pixellab, and then the owner or the modifier added some extra fonts to the default font package. Alright, at the top left corner we have the plus icon, and this plus icon, like I call it, is an import icon which can be used to import text, current dates, sticker, shapes, images from gallery, and then you can also draw. Okay, to the right we have the save icon. Now this save icon has two menus: save as a project and save as image. Save as project is like saving a work which you can edit anytime you want. When you come back, you can open up the work and continue editing. But save as an image is exporting the work as an image, either a JPG file or a PNG file, which cannot be edited again. Alright, to the right we have the share icon. Now this automatically, okay, let me not use automatically, but it goes straight to exporting the work as an image, and can also help you to share it on various social media handles. To the right again we have the quotes icon, which houses all the quotes that are default in Pixellab app. Okay, to the right we have this menu icon, which houses submenus that can be used to add changes, effects, or change the image size of the canvas. You can use to recover autosave and also open your PLB files, saved projects. Alright, a little bit below the first line that we have talked about, we have the undo icon. Now what this icon does is that it helps you to go a step backwards. Maybe you made a mistake while working, you can go a step backwards with it. But unfortunately in Pixellab there is no redo. There's no redo. So if you undo, you cannot actually redo to go back to where you were before. Alright, next to the right is the zoom icon, which can be used to zoom in or zoom out of the canvas area. Next to the right is the grid icon, which can be used to toggle on or toggle off the grids for the Pixellab canvas. Alright, to the right is the layer icon. This layer icon helps us to edit the layers, because in Pixellab every item that is added is seen as a particular layer, a separate layer. So it is used for us to maybe bring a layer to the front, or bring it to the back, or hide the layer, or lock it up so that it cannot be moved, or to edit the layer, or even delete the layer. As you can see, these four icons that are here. Right, coming down below we have this icon, that bottom left, I call it project icon or presets icon. Now in here you will find some presets in Pixellab which you can use. The canvas presets, canvas presets. Alright, you can also open already existing projects by clicking on my project. You can choose from any one. For example, this is a work I did last. It will open and you can start editing again if you want. Alright, but that's not what we are doing in this tutorial. Okay, then to the right, down right, we have the text icon. Now this can be used to add text or quotes, and also edit text. It also houses some controls. For example, if I click on this text here, you see the controls that he has that can be used to edit this text. We'll look into that deeply in another tutorial. Right, to the right we have the object icon, and this object icon can be used to add stickers, import images and shapes, and even draw. And the bezier tool also, an arrow tool. Now this can also be used to edit such objects. For example, if we add a rectangle, now it houses controls. Clicking on the rectangle, you see that it has controls that can be used to edit this rectangle. Okay, to the right we have the canvas edit tool or icon. Now this houses some tools or controls that can be used to change the color of the canvas, can make it transparent, can change the image size as well, and then edit the canvas. Now to the right is the canvas effect tool. Now this can be used to add effects to the tool. You can add a vignette, you can rotate the canvas, you can add noise, you can add stripes, increase brightness and reduce brightness, and some other stuff we're going to look deeper into in another tutorial. Alright, thanks for hanging out with us in this tutorial. See you in the next. Peace.